This is a old laptop battery. Well, this battery is totally new. I've bought this for a old laptop which is dead right now. So this battery is like leftover. So I've thought like open up, like total disassemble this battery and take out the inside part. I've already like cut down the outer part, which is like super glued, and make sure that you don't like, if you're doing this, use a anti-cutter and don't like put too much pressure, or else you might end up puncturing the inside batteries, and that might lead to a fire, maybe, I don't know, and you might end up burning down your own house, which is dangerous. So don't do this at your home unless you're totally sure what you're doing. So I'm gonna open up this battery and show you the inside part. Okay, so this is the inside part, which is actually the battery itself. So these are like 18650 type batteries, connected parallel in pairs, and from top to bottom it's connected in a serial. Wait, connected parallel serial, yeah. So top to bottom it's connected serial in a serial circuit, and in parallel it's connected like parallel, obviously. Okay, so each battery is like 3.7 volt. As you can see, this is 2000 mAh. If it's 3.7 volt, this part is 3.7 into 3, it's around like 11 volt altogether. So you could like use these batteries on other devices, like such as flashlights, and I don't really think these are high drain batteries. Discharge rate of these batteries maybe, I guess, around 4 amps maximum. Minimum, I guess it's gonna be around 2 amps. So the hydrant batteries discharge rate is around 40 amps, and I'm pretty sure these are not hydrant batteries. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure though. I might later know that these are actually hydrant batteries. So I'm gonna like test it out and check. And yeah, thank you for watching, and peace.